Have you ever thought about growing your own potatoes but lack the garden space? Fear not. Container gardening is your perfect solution. It's convenient, versatile, and ideal for small spaces. In the next couple of minutes, we'll guide you through each step to grow potatoes right in containers. The first step in container gardening is selecting the right container. You'll want a sizable pot made of breathable material, like fabric or clay. Ensure it has excellent drainage to prevent waterlogged soil. With the right container, you're halfway through setting up your mini potato farm. Now, it's time to choose the potato variety you wish to grow. From the hardy russets, ideal for baking, to the delicate fingerlings, perfect for salads, each variety has unique qualities. Container-friendly varieties like Yukon Gold and Red Pontiac are particularly rewarding to grow. The right potato variety can make your container gardening experience rewarding and fun. The next step is determining the perfect location for your potato container. Potatoes relish in full sunlight and moderate temperatures, so place your container where it will receive 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. A well-positioned container can ensure your potatoes grow healthy and robust. Once your potatoes are planted and positioned, it's crucial to understand their watering needs. Potatoes love moisture, but despise waterlogged soil. Striking this balance is key. Water thoroughly, but ensure your container drains well. Proper watering and maintenance can make a world of difference to your potato yield. The most exciting part of container gardening is harvesting your own potatoes. To determine if they're ripe for picking, wait for the foliage to yellow and wilt. Then, gently dig around the edges of the container to unearth your homegrown spuds. With these tips, you are now ready to harvest and enjoy your homegrown potatoes. Growing your own potatoes in containers is not just rewarding, but also fun. We've walked through choosing the right container, picking the perfect potato variety, understanding sunlight needs, mastering watering techniques, making the ideal potting mix, and finally, harvesting your bounty. The beauty of container gardening is its simplicity and flexibility. With this guide, you're now ready to embark on your container gardening journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening insights and tips.